Dear children, welcome to VC Diamond channel. I am going to do English activity in preposition. Let us see under, below, above, over. Definition of preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show the direction, time, place, location, relationship, or to introduce an object. Example for preposition of direction. The girl goes to home. Here, to is the preposition of direction. Example for preposition of time. The stars shine at night. Here, at is the preposition of time. Example for preposition of place. Jenny waits at the gate. Here, at is the preposition of place. Example for preposition of location. The pen is on the table. Here, on is the preposition of location. Example for preposition of relationship. She leans against the tree. Here, against is the preposition of relationship. Example for preposition of introduce an object. The basket consists of many eggs. Here, of is the preposition of introduce object. First we see preposition under. When do we use under? The position that is below something. Where is the ball? The ball is under the chair. Here under is the preposition. It describes the position of the ball. Where is the duster? The duster is under the chair. Here under is the preposition. It describes the position of the duster. Now we see below. Below means lower than. For example, where is the table? The table is below the TV. Where is the chair? The chair is below the window. Let's move to above. Above represents something at a place higher than another person or object. Location only. Space must be here. For example, where is the switch box? The switch box is above the table. Where is the TV? The TV is above the doll. Next move to over. Over represents something that is directly upwards, the another person or object. Location and motion. Space may or may not be here. For example, is the bird flying over the tree or above the tree? Yes, the bird is flying over the tree. Is the aeroplane flying above the mountain or over the mountain? Yes, the aeroplane is flying over the mountain. What is the difference between for above and over? Above. Above represents something at a place higher than another person or object. Second point, location only. Third point, space must be here. Over. Over represents something that is directly upwards the another person or object. Second point, location and motion. Third point, space may or may not be here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like it, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.